Introducing Business Hacks 101, your ultimate guide to starting a successful online business with no funds. What if you're without a penny to your name but have this brilliant business idea? We get it. Funds are hard to come by, and the internet is flooded with promises of overnight success. But let's be real, those flashy ads and gurus are often more interested in your money than your success. They lure you in with tales of rags to riches, only to leave you with an empty wallet and a product that doesn't deliver. The truth? They don't care if you're down to your last cent. Their goal is to fill their pockets, leaving you with nothing but empty promises. But here's the kicker, they unknowingly teach us a valuable lesson. The only real way to succeed is through your own drive and determination. Taking action is the only way forward. We've all been there, desperate to survive, willing to believe anything that promises a way out. But here's the good news, you don't need money to start your journey. What you need is knowledge, and that's where Business Hacks 101 comes in. I've been in your shoes and speak from experience when I say that I found myself with brilliant ideas, but no funds to bring them to life. Reality struck when the company I worked for closed after 17 years of being in operation, and I was left with nothing but my will to survive and all the knowledge that came with it. On the verge of almost giving up, I made a choice to either give in to this harsh new reality that I was not accustomed to, or to accept my situation and adapt into it. I began to brainstorm and find solutions driven by this strong urge to make an honest living. The real issue of not having the funds to move forward was still an obstacle. I decided to come up with a solution to that problem, and then it dawned on me that there were so many free services out there. All I had to do was search. We should give Google more credit than it's actually worth, because next to God Almighty, it was one of my greatest allies. A few days later, and with many short-slept nights, I finally came up with a way to move forward. I think that's what makes us stand out in creation, the fact that we can overcome any situation if we strive to be the best possible version of ourselves. I began putting my problems and the solutions I discovered on paper, using all the difficulties I experienced trying to start my business. I jotted down the free services and service providers that I would use to start and get my business online. And a few days later, my business was finally online without me spending a penny. The result was phenomenal. I developed a business guide that outlines how to get your online business up and running without spending a dime. Suddenly, life had so much more meaning than making money. It soon became clear to me that life isn't living if we can't make an effort to share the knowledge we have with others, and no amount of money in the world gives you a better feeling than knowing that you've helped someone move forward and watching that person prosper, realizing that your compassion for helping others in elevating their lives really is priceless. I'm sure at some point you've wanted to start your own online business. But what happens if you want to create and sell your digital products with your own website without buying plugins to sell to your customers or having to pay an e-commerce middleman to sell it for you? That's not an issue, because the Business Hacks 101 guide will show you how to do this, and it's 100% free without buying any service plugins or paying any middleman to sell to your customers for you. What's inside Business Hacks 101? Proven methods to launch your online business using free services, no expensive middlemen or e-commerce websites, and plugins to sell your digital products online, and definitely no hidden fees. You will get step-by-step instructions on using Google Drive as your secure hub to sell digital products. There are images with screenshots and instructions to make your learning journey easier. Tips and tricks to protect your content and ensure your products are shared only with paying customers. Get it now for only $3. No more paying extra fees like you would on all those e-commerce sites. Why $3? Because this guide is meant for those with limited funds, just like I once was. You won't find it on Amazon, because I wanted to keep the price low and accessible. I believe in helping others elevate their lives, and that's why I created this guide, to share the knowledge that helped me succeed. Of course, I would also have to make a living out of doing it, because times are tough and knowledge is the true power. By purchasing your copy of this guide, you will also be supporting and motivating me to launch the next edition, Business Hacks 102, where I will be showing you the easiest ways and shortcuts to creating stunning visuals to make your website stand out without having to pay for it or using AI. Ready to start your business with zero investment? Get your copy of Business Hacks 101 today and learn how to build your online business from the ground up. No funds required, no middlemen, just pure, actionable advice that works. Take the leap. Your success story starts here.